Even as COVID cases drop, community organizations still seeing a very high demand for help all over the metro area. One of those groups is in Aurora and focuses on undocumented immigrants. CBS 4's Connor McHugh live tonight at the Village Exchange Center. Connor, 2 years into the pandemic, and the group is still helping thousands of people every day.
Yeah, Jim, for several days now, the lines for people looking for financial assistance have gone around the block here, even though this funding program has been in place since 2020. The founder tells us it's unclear if new staff or better messaging is why there's been such a change, but it is clear this community still needs help.
Since the start of the pandemic, the Village Exchange Center in Aurora has remained open, but never before have the lines been this long.
We've had people since 7 o'clock this morning.
Each day, thousands come for the food pantry, but lately it's these tents drawing all the attention.
The people outside are here to be screened for the Left Behind Workers Fund, which is a fund that provides $1,500 in cash assistance to individuals who are ineligible for unemployment insurance or other subsidies.
Amanda Blaurock says each payment is strictly for undocumented immigrants, many of whom paid into the system but got no stimulus or pandemic help.
Right now I don't have no job, they have no money, so I need to pay my rent, my bills, my medicine.
This woman, who asked to remain anonymous, is one of thousands who've lined up over the last week. She says screening took an hour and the money came the next day.
It's like a miracle because not a lot of people do that for us.
Blaurock says it's unclear why the need is suddenly so large for a fund that started in 2020.
We think it's because we have brought in a couple leaders from the community.
Regardless, the needs in this underserved community are clear, and the fund can only go so far.
Providing this dignifying grant to them, I think, really is a wonderful start, but it's absolutely not enough.
All $10 million in this fund comes from the state of Colorado, and this fund is set to continue until June. In the meantime, this organization is working on several other efforts to help the community, including an upcoming vaccine equity fund. Live tonight in Aurora, Connor McHugh covering Colorado First.